Good morning, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another one of the split cup pours. USA. These are the ones that I got from the USA supplier. We have got a supplier in Australia too, so I will link both of the suppliers underneath the video. Some people suggested to me that in Australia that it was far too expensive to pay the cost of the cup and the postage to Australia from the US supplier, and vice versa. So I put a US supplier and an Australian supplier for these cups. So without further ado, I'm just going to get on with it and let you see what I come up with. Okie doke. So I'm going to start off with my split cup and I'm doing metallic bronze in this. So pour in the metallic in the one side. Ew. So this is a tester for me again. I'm definitely on a tester. Now this is metallic gold, so I'll put that in there too. Metallic gold. Beautiful. Now I've just got what they call sand colour. So this is a neutral colour that I pour on that side. I actually probably should have done just a burnt umber, but anyway, that's all right. I've started now. Started, so I will finish. And I'm going to go back to the bronze, metallic bronze, on this side. So all I've mixed those up with is, well, the pouring medium will be in the description box below. That's probably a better way for me to do it. These have got no silicone in them at present. I have only put floetrol, but the description will be in the drop down box. Let's move my other little douvalac out of the way. So you will see as I go what I have planned for this. Actually, maybe I might pour that first. I have navy, and the navy was mixed with metallic silver, so it gives it this lovely glistening effect. So I am going to pour my metallic navy on the two ends. Oops, just giving it a kind of a rough old spreading out. It's nothing, doesn't have to be anything special. Ooh, it's pretty hot here today in Australia. We are having a really hot week. Just come into my weekend and it's like the high 30s Celsius, I believe, or is it degrees Celsius? I'm not sure if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. I can't remember what the douvalacs are. But anyway, it's a hot one. It's a hot one. So very lucky that I've got air conditioning that my husband put in for me last summer in the studio. Otherwise, you just couldn't work out here. It was just too hot. So very lucky I can come out and still pour in the hot weather, so very happy about that. Happy Jill, hey. Not a happy Jan and a happy Jilly. Yeah, I want to thank you guys. Wow, I've had such a fantastic week pouring myself, but the response from you guys and the comments and the views, I'm just gobsmacked. I'm just so thankful. So thank you for all those that have watched my videos this last couple of weeks and comments and subscribed to my channel. It's really appreciated. Okie doke, what do I want to do here? I want to do kind of a travelling pour from this split cup. So it's gonna travel. Ooh, it's very zebra and looking, very tigery zebra. Ooh, those colours, really nice together. Really, really, truly, really, they're gorgeous together. So come back round, I'm travelling. I keep saying it that I should be putting this on my big Party Susan, the turntable thing. I have got a large one that'll fit this canvas, so next time. Oh, I'm going wibbly wobbly now. My hand gets a bit tired. Well, I think I had a little bit of big dribble there of something. I'm gonna do it. Whoop. I think that might be enough actually. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I know it looks like I'm a crazy lady gone over there, but that's fine. You're gonna really want to just break that up with a bit of a dribble through the center. Just bear with me. If it comes out like what I've got in my mind, it should be okay, but nothing ever comes out just as you plan. But gosh, those colors are just gorgeous. Okie doke. Let me lift it off here. I just try and spread the colour over the canvas first before I start tilting anything off it. So it's even pushing that navy around a bit. Got a bit more of a plan for it, so bear with me. Bear with me. I'm going to end up with no navy, aren't I? It's going to end up going off, but I can fix that up, not a problem. Ooh, I hope you guys have all had a happy holidays in the US. Us in Australia don't celebrate Thanksgiving as well. We just don't. I don't know. Anyway, we don't in Australia celebrate the actual Thanksgiving holidays, I suppose, unless you're US born and living in Australia, but I'd never heard of it before when I came from the UK. So I want to keep some of that navy, but it looks as though I've got another idea for it to. I've lost it all. Got that bit there and a bit there. Wowzers trousers, that's beautiful. That is so lovely. Got another little plan here which I might hatch out. I'm going to pour a little bit of the navy into my split cup with the bit of colours that I have left. So let's, oh, we've got a little bit of a yucky bit there. That's okay. I'm not going to be delicate about removing it because I have a plan, Jan. Alrighty, let's see what this, I've just put a bit of the navy in with the colours that I have left. And I do the figure 8. Through it, through it, through it. Figure 8, figure 8. For me. that's it. I've done this figure 8 quite a few times in the past, and they've turned out beautiful when I actually add them after the event, after pouring. Wow, I love that effect. I just love that effect in it. I know it's a bit busy for some, but quite happy to leave this bit here. Wow. Alrighty. It's a bit different, isn't it? It's a bit different. Now, the plan. Where's my greenish blue? Okay. What I've got here is some greenish blue Amsterdam paint, and it's mixed with floetrol only. So I'm going to bring in my 3D effect. So I know that some of you are probably saying, oh my goodness, no, what's she doing? But, you know, as I say, my art room, my rules, but you do whatever you choose to do. Just seeing what I've got written down on here. Ugh, doesn't matter. I will use it anyway. So I've got this blue. I'm just going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, I can go another way. Okay, so oh, have to bring you. This is unbelievable effect that this gives. It's so much like, oh, I suppose it's a bit like a snake skin effect. I'll bring the camera down in a minute and show you. So to do these 3D slides, I mean, you can obviously do them in any kind of pour. So just gives the painting like so much depth, and yeah, it truly makes it look like a 3D. I'm keeping to the same, I'm not going to go across this way because I love what's underneath there that's popping through the previous cut pour I did. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Okay, just one more. I could get carried away here, but I'm not. Well, I already have, haven't I? Alrighty. I'm loving it. I'm going to leave it. I love it. I will just do one thing, and that is run my heat wand over it, burst any air bubbles, and then I'll bring the camera down to show you the awesome effects from the Aussie card slide. And I'm calling it the Aussie card slide because it's made from the effects are created through the Australian floetrol. Yeah, so there you go. I'm going to bring you down, have a little looky. Wowzers trousers. This is phenomenal. Look at this. It is such a stunning effect that I've just stumbled upon, I suppose, because I just mixed floetrol only and no other pouring medium. But it only seems to come, this actual effect, with the Amsterdam paint. I did try it the other day on a previous pour with Mont paint, trying to do the card slide, and it was definitely just the Amsterdam paint, but I will try it just about to do another test and use Boom Booster to see if I can get the same thing happening. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I hope you like it too. I'll be here again tomorrow with lots of fun in the art room. But I am loving this 3D effect. I just love it. So I hope you do too, or go on to my colourful ones. So bye for now. Stay safe, people. And please contact somebody if you're feeling lonely or you feel sad. Please ring a friend or a counselling service, help service. Stay safe and create. Bye for now.